Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this very tricky math question. Try to solve by your own, and to get featured in our shoutout list, please comment your answer, whatever it will be, right or wrong, I will give you shoutout. So we will solve with the help of canvas. Okay. So here what you can see, there are a lot of parentheses. Okay. There are a lot of parentheses. So first we have to solve inner parentheses. So we will operate for this. We will write like 4 minus 2 minus 1 which equals to 1 square. Now 4 plus 2 minus 1 which equals to 1. Now this look very simple, but if you see in a long way, this is very complicated, but when we solve in a single step, you get the right answer. Okay, you can understand. Now we will also operate the parenthesis part. 4 minus 1 which equals to 3. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Here 3 square is what? 3 times 3 which equals to 9. So we will write 9 in the place of 3 square. So here 9 times 5, and when we multiply 9 with 5 we will get 45. So here right answer is 45. Comment your answer and check out best product list for seniors in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.